Hi guys, today I'm gonna make this called Giraffe. I'm laughing to make it called flower guys. Is just on the flower and next to it then gonna make the exact sword into super cool thing at the end of the day. We'll be making lots of videos today. So, not hearing by talking about that, I'm gonna make a giraffe. So we have these two legs, just like a dog. So now we can have a gigantic face, or because we need very big eyes like this, so then we can make the eyes. But that just pops. This is going to be the mouth here, so that's why we are having the eyes big. So that's very hard to do that. So I'm going to go back to this again. So then we can do this again. So you can just fly again, so that's good for me. But this came out like a dog. So this is a dog. I called dog instead of a giraffe. It came out something different. So that's funny. That's funny. Bye guys. I just swapped stuff. But before I do it, you want to see bubble.